Hey Milwaukee, it's Jim Starwald again at Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate, giving you your market update as of December 2024, the end of December. I'm going to tell you what, you've stabilized. Milwaukee, last year, 2023, there was 1,236 homes on the market. Right now, there's 1,299. So really, new listings, there was 286. That's pretty close for the entire city of Milwaukee. There's a lot of homes out there, so for it to change and shift by 20, 30 homes on the market, it's pretty stable. A lot of homes coming on the market. Months of inventory is just about 2. It's going up. Homes are moving fast, but there's more and more coming on. So it is time to get your house sold. It's time to get your new home purchased. If you've been waiting for interest rates to drop back down to 2 and 3%, everybody's realizing that's not going to happen. So give us a call today and let's help you make that move. We'll let you know what your house is worth, what you can expect, and we're going to help you find the next house that you can move into. So I'm Jim Starwalt, leader of the Star Home Team at Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate. Give us a call today. We've got agents waiting to help you out.